Is your bathroom door handle a flimsy eyesore? This stainless steel round ball privacy door set from BQTYDYZR promises an upgrade, and honestly, it might just deliver. First impressions are solid. It's a single piece, weighing in at 50 grams, and the brushed stainless steel finish looks clean and modern. The silver color is neutral enough to blend with most bathroom or bedroom door styles. The specs are pretty standard. It fits doors between 30 and 50 thick, which covers most interior doors. The adjustable latch offers either a 60 or 70 backset, providing some flexibility during installation. The diameter of the ball is 53, and the rose diameter is 65 mm. It's designed as an internal door pair, so keep that in mind. Installation seems straightforward. The adjustable latch is a definite plus, making it easier to fit into existing door preps. The included key adds a layer of privacy, which is always welcome in a bathroom or bedroom. While it's not the most exciting product, it does what it promises. It's a functional, aesthetically pleasing, and seemingly durable privacy door handle. If you're looking for a simple and effective upgrade, this BQTYDYZR lock is worth considering. It's a solid, no-frills option that gets the job done.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.